In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Jira reports. If you're looking to efficiently manage your projects and improve visibility into your team's progress, reports are an invaluable tool. Let's dive in and see how you can create these reports in just a few easy steps. First things first, you'll want to begin by logging into your Jira account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that provide you access to the projects you're working on. Having the right permissions is crucial to avoiding any access issues later on. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the specific project you want to generate a report for. To do this, look for the listing of available projects on your dashboard. Click on the one that's relevant to you. This takes you into the project's main interface, where you can interact with various elements of your project, such as issues, tracking, and much more. Now, you'll spot the Reports option within the project menu. Go ahead and click on it. Reports are a great way to visualize different aspects of your project, such as progress, time estimates, and workload distribution. Familiarize yourself with this section so you can maximize the potential of what you can do with your data. Next, it's time to choose the type of report you want to create. The selection menu provides different report types, each tailored to give you specific insights. Whether you're looking to understand issue resolutions, work distribution, or team performance, there's a report for that. Take a moment to browse through the options. Choose the one that aligns best with what you're looking to analyze. After selecting your report type, the final step is to click on the Next button to generate the report. Clicking Next will start the process of data gathering and analysis using the parameters you've set. Allow the system a few moments to compile your data and generate the visual representation of your desired report. And there you have it. You now have a comprehensive report that you can use to inform your project management decisions. Remember, the effectiveness of your reports relies on the accuracy and completeness of the data you provide to Jira. Regularly updating tasks and statuses will greatly enhance the reliability of your reports. With these steps, creating reports in Jira is a straightforward process. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with navigating these features. Use these insights to drive your projects forward with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!